Here we are at the local park, and I bought a drone. Which you're gonna fly today. I've been playing with this thing a couple times. This is a Holystone 720E, and I'm gonna get this thing all undone and get it ready for flight. But came out here to the local park with all the soccer fields and the open space, and for some reason they've locked all the gates. So I guess I'm not going to get to sit in the grass, but I got a nice flat parking lot here, plenty of open space, and we're going to give it a whirl. Yeah, so there it is. You can kind of see where the heck it is. If I can get my zoom thing to work on the GoPro. Which apparently I can't. So let me bring the drone down. And this thing, it is pretty cool. It's I've been taking pictures of the park with it. I'm kind of afraid to use the app. It's got an app that comes with it that shows you where everything is that it's taking a picture of. But you really can't tell. I don't know, I can't keep my eyes on the stupid drone and on the app at the same time. I probably need to come out here with a helper. Anyway, brought this thing back in here to land it. Sent it buzzing around the park a little bit. It's starting to rain. We're gonna just land it, I think. It is a cool little toy though, I must say.